Obsessed with Grandma's coffee cup. Can't put it down. Want to give to Grandma? No? But you can't walk with it. It's making you fall. Okay, I won't take it away. Ah, I found something exciting. Uh-oh. Something dangerous. Grandpa's rods of the paintings? Uh-oh. Oi, oi, oi. Oi, oi, oi. That is dangerous. You walking with my mug? You're very funny. Walking with my mug? Hi. Hi. Can I have my mug now? Okay. Who's staying for the night? Mm-hmm. You are? I'll go make you a bottle, okay?